constituency. Can I please have the round of applause going continuously, please? Mr. Sanjay Gowde, Advocate Paresh Rao, and Mr. Francis Vegas. Now, and Mr. Manoj Sardesai. Names. The next team we have is Stinging Butterflies. Music please, can we have some music please? The next team we have is Stylish Stigas. The next team we have is Yasaka Smashers.
Are you fucking kidding me?
And the next team we have is Zeon Kings. Tiba Tigers. Team Superdonics. And last but not the least, Team Jula Swallows.
I saw my car was stolen. It was my favorite truck. I said, fucking I'm driving by my car and the
We will now start with the lighting of the lamp ceremony.
What an electrifying atmosphere at the Padam Sports Complex here. I'll start with a big thank you to Mr. Glenn Souza Tiklo, Honorable MLA Aldona, because of whom we got all this here. Not only this, I trouble him for so many things. On Sunday we play and he is always there. He is not just a politician, he has a heart of a sportsman too. So that is the reason everything is available for us. Without a big round of applause, nothing will start today. Come on. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I again have to thank from the bottom of my heart to all my friends. With one phone call of mine, Mr. Frankie, Manoj, Paresh, Sanjay, Mazhar, myself. They stood, they said, we will buy a team. They are all very well established, all very well settled in their various professions and whatever the others in business. Their love for the sports, they said yes, and this is the start of what we are seeing here. Without them, this tournament would have not been started. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to everybody. I thank each and every participant. Without this, we would not see all these colors here. You too are part of this tournament to get this a success. We will play in the true spirit of the tournament. We will give our best, and we have chosen the right captains who will do justice. And I have told the captain, all owners, that they will do justice. Some owners did not know about table tennis, though they are there in other sports. I said we have chosen such captains who would do justice to them. And I'm totally confident about that. Not forgetting my team, my committee team. I thank you. This is actually a job of around 2.5 months to 3 months. But poor fellows struggle day and night. I'm not naming them personally. From my bottom of my heart, I thank them. Because of them, a round of big applause to them. There were little flaws because since this is the first edition, there were little flaws. I promise you on this floor, we will overcome all this for the next edition. A lot of owners are coming now they also want a team. So this is how the game should improve. Okay? And I promise you it will improve. Next year, I also promise you, the players will be auctioned like IPL. That was my dream. That's the spirit. This was my dream and I see the success which is coming. When I took over as the president, I announced that if you make me president of Padam Sports Club, I will do something for the game to come up. Something for the game. And we say veteran, we are not veteran, we are masters. Age is just a number. You see the game. That's the spirit. Not forgetting Mr. Sanat and his team. This gentleman, I wanted to come up. Great person. He organizes cricket at our colony. He's the man. I saw him then organizing cricket. That time I had fixed him. I said, this is the boy who will do some justice for the table tennis. And give him a big hand. He has really struck. I'm not taking much of a time because we are running late as per the schedule. I'll hand over the mic to Honorable Glenn Tickler to say some few words. Okay? Thank you very much. All the best. Give justice. Okay.
Thank you, my dear friend Mayur Sagar. Again, a very good morning to all of you. In fact, this is something, I don't know, I'm running short of words, out of words. I'm not speaking as a politician, but as a player, as a veteran sports player, sportsman. In fact, I think this is one of its kind in the state of Goa, what we're witnessing today. And the credit goes to my very dear good friend, always call him like a brother to me, Mayur Sagar. As he said, it was his dream, and his dream has come true. And today, Padam Sports Club, under the leadership of Mayur Sagar, and especially all the members, it takes great efforts because it's not easy, you know, the way that it's organized. It looks like it's on a very national, international level, what is being seen here. And already, we are just on the first edition, about to start, and already owners want to join. It's going to be auction. So you can imagine how it's going to be. It's going to kick off and take off, like the flight, the international flight. Any which ways, all the very best to all the teams, all the team owners, which all are here with me, all are my dear friends also. The captains, the teammates, the organizers, Sanat, you've done a wonderful job. All the referees today, I know. And in fact, I just spoke to Shintre, who is in charge of Padam Sports Club. I got him recently, you know, after my request. And there's a slight technical problem with the air conditioning, but already just spoken to Mr. Prabhu Desai, the director, and he has already spoken to the concerned electrician, and he's on his way. So hopefully it's done. Hopefully I think everything will cool down. And I know we veterans are strong they are very strong, physically strong at heart, and they have a strong mind. So I wish you all the very best. And of course, they all were saying that I'm blessed with the best team. But it was all on Lord's. Don't let me down, don't let them down as well. Anyway, sports is a game where one win, one loses is another question. The best team wins or the victim even wins sometime. And any which way, we're all playing because of health. Health is wealth. We're all veterans today. I wish I could play also with you all, but I know a little of table tennis, more of badminton, hockey, football, martial arts. Yeah, I know that. Thank you, my friend Bonnie. But in which ways, all the very best. And from here, we'll take it to a different level. And I'm surely, with Mer around and all of us around here, with the committee, this particular game, table tennis, Masters Table Tennis Championship League, is going to go on a different level every year. All the best. And congratulations once again, Mayur and everybody. Thank you.
Superdonics B2. Swallows, the captain of Team Jula Swallows kindly assemble to the chief referee's table. I request the teams to please assemble to table number 4.